What a beautiful day. Sky is so beautiful. So I'm gonna take my walk. Hi. It's tomorrow. My friend is out. My friend is out. My lunch hour friend is out. Hi. Hi, squirrel. What you doing? What you doing? Bouncing about, jumping about, bouncing. See another one up there? It's two of them. Yep. That's a bird. That's a bird. That's a bird. Anyways, gone. Bird gone. But it's a beautiful day, guys. Welcome in. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Welcome in, guys. I'm on my lunch. Oh, motivational talk and walk. Ooh, it's cold still, you know. It's still cold. Jesus, let my button up. I didn't take any scarf, but let my button up. It's still cold, you know, guys. Even though the place is so pretty, it's still cold. Because I'm at the riverside. And by the riverside, it's very cold. Welcome in, guys. Down by the river. I think they're having something down there tomorrow. I'm gonna go there tomorrow afternoon. So I'm gonna show you guys the river. Let me show you, see if you can see it. Overlooking the river here. That's the river. Yeah, they're gonna have something down there tomorrow. Beautiful river. Beautiful river scenery. Yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow, tomorrow. Welcome in, guys. How are you? How was your weekend? Did you have any fun for your weekend? Weekend these days are so short. So I'm better angle there, guys, of the river. Better angle of the river. That's the river over there. That's the river. That's the river. Whew. Yeah. So, did you go to church on the weekend, guys? I've been having church online, church back home online. Yeah. Welcome in, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yes. But it's kind of a beautiful day. It's still a bit chilly, but no rain, no snow. It's better than winter. Like up the live, guys. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for coming in and like the live. Thank you so much. I'm not going to get bounced down today. I'm gonna be careful in my walk, my lunch hour walk. What are you having for lunch? Is it Sunday, Monday? Or you didn't cook? Ooh. The shade is so cold, colder than when I'm in the sun. Oh, I'm in the sun, it's better. But the shade is so cold. Welcome in, guys. Like the live, share the live, subscribe to my channel. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. You hear there? Ooh. Hear music, guys. And here come Amazon. I've not walked a day and don't see Amazon van. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Welcome in. Thank you for liking and sharing the live. Thank you so much. Guys, tell me if it's time to take out these braids and get a new hairstyle. Tell me, guys. When I first put these braids in, I swear I'm going to take them out the next day. Yes, they were uncomfortable, tight, couldn't sleep good. I don't know how to do it with the braid thing. Can't do it. And then I went back because it was like too much, too heavy, so I went back to have them cut it down. a bit. Yes. So the girl say, when last you put in braid? I say, months, maybe years. She said, oh, that's why. I say, yes, man, I used to have something I miss. Once in a blue moon. I put in braids. And now them in for weeks. So easy. Get up, catch up, spray, brush up, and go. No flat iron. No thinking about going to the hairdresser to get his shampoo. Yeah, I shampoo it every other week. Yeah. But no every minute. I have to get it processed. I can't find a good hairstylist. It's so convenient, but it's uncomfortable in the beginning. How you guys do it? Some people have some braids way down at them back. I don't know how to do it.
Oh my god, I love her.
Ooh. But I can't do it. So tell me, guys. I'm a Patricia free. What? Oh, what this? Okay, I don't want those things on my live stream. Ooh, what a beautiful scenery of the trees. Ooh, the trees are so beautiful, beautiful trees. Trees are beautiful. So I'm back from my circular motion walking. My feet can't take anymore. So I'm gonna sit for maybe 2 minutes and then end the live. But I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you find something nice to do. I hope you think positively. Always think positively, no negative thinking. Clear your mind of all negativity and think positively. Yes. Hope your dreams will come true for this week. I pray that God will grant you all favors. Yes. And enlarge your territory. So I speak good things in your life. Oh my. Thank you so much, guys, for coming on the walk with me, even though you're not talking with me, but thank you so much. I appreciate those who are on. Thank you for liking and sharing and subscribing. And guys, whenever you watch this video, you're not here and you watch this video, just give me a thumbs up and let me know when I can take out my braids, okay? Yeah, I'll appreciate it. Tell me if it's time for me to take it out and get a fresh hairstyle where I not really have no, I don't know, the hairstylist them. I need to find one good one, reasonable good one. And I miss my hairstylist back home. Really miss them. Really, really miss them. So pray for me to get a good one, guys. Good hairstylist. Okay? Yeah, man. Pray for me. So I'm gonna end this live. So take care, guys. Thank you for coming with me on this walk. See you on my next live. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Like up my videos. Go there and like up some of those videos, guys. Watch them. Have smoothie videos, cooking videos, juice videos, vlogs. Go ahead and like them, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.